Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me while I talk about listening to your body. So this is kind of a combo. I have been doing videos on body related stuff and this is something that is really hard for me. First of all, looks like I'm naked. I am not. Just wearing a bandeau top. So let me prep my skin while I chat. So I have a couple more things that I really want to talk about, but I want to leave this video to just talking about listening to your body and when it comes to everything, not just food. I'm going to start with that though. I am getting better at this. I was not good at this when I was younger. Closing my eyes. I was so not good at this. I mean, when you're forced to exercise, you're forced to eat what you're eating, I mean, you go into survival mode, and I feel so connected to my dog. I have a rescue dog. Her name is Micah June. I don't post about her very much, but I should. And she lived on the streets a little bit. She was abused really badly. And you know, when a dog has lived on the streets, like when it comes to eating, there is no gentle take of a snack for them. Like I have to throw her food all over the floor, which sounds really gross. I have to throw it all over the floor so she doesn't eat it all at once, and I almost feel like I need to do that for myself. I think this has gotten better for myself, the eating really fast. I still eat fast, but nothing like I used to. But I'm in this survival mode, right? When someone says, this is all you can have, well, what I used to do is when everybody would leave the house and I was left alone, I would cook a full meal so I could finally eat, and then clean it all up so it looked like nothing had happened, so that I could be satisfied, you know. But I would scarf it down so fast because I was nervous that people would be coming home and they would see me and I would get in trouble for eating. And so I have all this guilt around food, about eating like a normal person. I have, first of all, my nails are amazing. Broke that one. They just coming up, and that tip just got caught because they're so pointy. It was so painful. Anyway, you just kind of lose all sense of what does my body want and need because you're focused so much on just getting it in when no one's looking. My mom used to send me on these walks to get exercise, which I've said in a previous video. I think I just said video, oh my goodness. I'm very thankful that she made me exercise because I really enjoy being active now. Oh, I want to pop that zip, but I can't pop it with these nails. But she used to send me on these walks to get exercise, and I was so mad that I was being forced to do stuff that I would go to Dairy Queen and I would sit and get a Blizzard, and then I would come home. And this is not every time, but I'd be like, yeah, I just went on an hour walk, when really I walked 10 minutes to Dairy Queen, ate a Blizzard, and walked 10 minutes home. So, you know, I have some issues with food and guilt and like what feels good to my body. I have started doing something with a friend recently, which is, let me find my concealer, which is writing down when something affects me negatively, food-wise. So still talking about food here. I realized recently that pizza really messes me up, like majorly gassy, super bloated, and it's not the sauce, because I can eat tomato sauce, I eat tomato, I eat pico, I eat salsa. It's, you know, not the vegetables, it's not the meat, because when I eat meat by itself, I'm fine. I'm using this, why do I keep calling it Maybelline? Because Maybelline's my favorite. This is the thank goodness I'm on spring break. Milani Retouch and Erase. I might do a video on some concealers. I'm trying some e.l.f. concealers as well. Anyway, so we're writing down these things that feel bad. I realize that pizza is effing me up, and I'm thinking that I don't know if it's just the gluten or if it's the gluten mixed with everything else, like it's the combo of things. And so, you know, it's not like I've kind of gone away from, I cannot have this, I cannot have this. I'm taking this whole food group away. I'm taking this whole food group away. I can't do that. I can't do that anymore. I don't want to live my life like that. But, you know, if I have an issue with gluten when it comes to pizza, you know, I don't think I have celiac. I mean, I know I don't have celiac. But if I have an issue with pizza, well, as much as it's delicious, maybe I need to find an alternative. And not because pizza is bad, but because it makes me feel like crap. Like, I'm in this new relationship. He's amazing. And, oh my gosh, he told me like I farted in my sleep, guys. So the magic is clearly over. But, I mean, that was like right after I had pizza. So gross, no, not doing it again. Mostly because I literally feel like crap the next day. And I feel, you know, like when you get those food babies, well, that like lasts a really long time. I don't want to feel like that. So, you know, I adjust the crust. H-E-B, our local store, grocery store, and I'm sure Walmart, I'm sure everybody has it. They have this already made cauliflower crust. Is delicious. It's gluten-free. They mix it with other flowers and tulips, roses. Just kidding. They mix it with other kinds of baking flours. So you get that crunch, you get that. Anyway, I'm just really excited about it. And I just need to remind myself that it's not because that pizza is bad. It's that it just doesn't sit well with me. And I think that that's a better outlook on food, right? Does it make you feel like crap? Well, white rice might not make you feel bad. Okay, so eat your white rice if that's what you love. Like, tortilla chips don't hurt my stomach, and I'm not giving them up. Now, if they really made me feel like crap, I would probably do something different. So feeling what your body reacts to negatively, maybe writing that down and finding an alternative. Also kind of going towards what am I craving when it comes to what you actually want to eat. Do I want something salty or do I want something sweet? So it's not about depriving your body, it's about giving it what it wants in a more natural way. So, you know, if you're there and you want a cupcake, eat the freaking cupcake. But, you know, if you're starving, you most likely don't want to eat a cupcake. So if you're wanting something sweet, maybe you need to eat some fruit, you know what I mean? And that's the kind of thing I'm aiming to do. So do I want something salty? Do I want something sweet? Do I want something creamy? Do I want something crunchy? It's usually always crunchy. Do I want something hot or do I want something cold, right? So like in the summer, we're not always gonna want a hot soup, but we do crave that hot soup in the winter. So making a big batch of, you know, chili and putting a little crunch in there with some onions, you know, so I'm really trying to go down that road, listening to what my body wants at the time, what it's craving. Is it actually hungry? Is it thirsty? All those different questions, I'm gonna ask it. And then when I eat that thing that I really want, does it make me feel kind of crappy? You know, do I hurt? Do I have indigestion? Do I have bloating? Do I get a headache? Like, oh, guys, sad, sad day. Wine F's me up. I mean, like literally, I cannot have wine anymore. One sip and I get a headache, all sorts. Next day, feel like crap. I can have liquor, I can have beer. I mean, it makes me tired, but I don't feel like poo-poo. All right, I'm gonna try, I've been using this Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glue palette. It's so beautiful. I love her stuff so much. The only downside that I found to this so far is that it doesn't stay very long on my skin. I'm gonna use all 4 of these, by the way. Yeah, so that's the food side of things. And then thinking about, you know, does your body need sleep? Like, okay, so I'm on spring break right now. And I thought, well, I've had 8 hours of sleep and I don't normally get 8 hours of sleep, so I should be fine. I shouldn't be tired. I should be getting my list done of things that I need to get done. So I worked out today because I've been really wanting to get back into weight training, which I'm really pumped about. I talked about that in a previous video about wanting to be strong again, so I'm looking to do that. And then I took my dog on a really long walk because I just haven't been home very much and I know that she loves being outside, so we did that. I ate my lunch, and then I could not keep my eyes open. Like, I felt like I'd had 2 hours of sleep last night. I'm like, no, I should push through, not take a nap, and then just go to bed early. Why would I not just nap? I'm on spring break. Why am I pushing against what my body needs? So I finally gave in, and I took a nap. About an hour nap, 45 minutes to an hour. Holy crap, do I feel amazing. Got up, had a protein shake because I was craving something sweet and creamy. And now I'm gonna drink a lot of water. Took some headache medicine. Really, I'm bad at drinking water. So that's one thing I have to make myself do that I don't want to do, because my body does not crave water. Like, literally does not crave water. I've even asked my doctor about it. Anyway, so if your body is craving sleep, you need the sleep. Now, I do think if you're exhausted every day and you're getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep, there's an issue and maybe you need to see your doctor. But I'm not this tired all the time. I don't know if it's the time change, I don't know what it is, but I'm just not feeling good. And so I need to listen to my body and I need to take care of it. Like, that list can wait, you know? That list can freaking wait. Thinking about medication, is that medication effing you up? Are you starting to feel crazy? I think it's really good to maybe take some notes. Take some notes about how you're feeling when you eat things, when you sleep a certain way, when you go to bed at a certain time, when you take a certain medication, and just really try and be in tune with your body. And that's what I'm really trying to strive to do right now, especially with food and especially with rest. Again, I'm using all 4 of these, so I've posted pictures wearing this, and it's so gorgeous, gosh. So gorgeous, and I just really love blush. So I'm also gonna do a video on new glittery things that I have, and then maybe just an Instagram post on my concealers. I've been trying a few new things, so gosh, this is so pretty. Can you tell I'm ready for spring and summer? And I'm gonna buff that in. It's not gonna look very crazy. So I powder my concealer around my eyes, and then I powder underneath here, and then I use it to blend in my blush. I'll do my mascara, and that's it. Okay, so I let this dry. I'm just gonna pluck through. I always say pluck, but it's just comb through my clumpies. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about all this stuff. Do you guys deal with this? Have you had the same kind of issues as I have had? Even if you haven't, like, have you ever thought about like really listening to your body and thinking, oh, that doesn't sit well or whatever? Well, I think that's gonna do. Again, I know it looks like I'm naked, but I am wearing a dress. That's all I'm gonna do for you guys today, makeup wise. Let me know down below if you deal with any of these things that I am dealing with, or if you live your life in this intuitive manner with your body, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.